Alright, we are right now walking down the stairs to get to Tegenungan Waterfall. Tegenungan Waterfall is right there. It's actually very close to Ubud. It's around 25 or 30 minutes by bike. So yeah, we get here and right now we're walking down the stairs. I'd like to show you around. So stay tuned. Wow, it's really a beautiful, green, clean and perfect place. You're right in the nature and you're enjoying walking down the stairs. It's perfect. It's really perfect. There's a small temple here. As you can see, it's a temple, or yeah, it's only for praying, they say. Let me show you around. Yes, it is for only praying people. It's a nice, beautiful place with nice architecture. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Which way? This way? I don't think so. I guess we need to walk through the stairs. Let's go. There's a nice path over here. We need to follow this to get to the waterfall. It's quite steep, but very nice. I'm really enjoying it. It's like, you know, it's like trekking. It's awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Finally we made it. Yes, we are here. We made it. saw the waterfall. Right now we're going back. But of course we didn't swim because lots of people there. And plus there are lots of stones.